So good morning all. Now we going to start our first session. In that which means we going to discuss regarding HTML basic structure. Okay. So yesterday already we had seen how we have to create file, and yesterday we had just done the creation of file. Correct or not? So anyone having any issue regarding creation of file? First, let me know this one. Sweta, Pooja, Amol.
No, sir.
No issue. Fine. Okay, fine. So now we are aware regarding how we can create a file. But suppose that you have to create folder. How you can do that? Any idea? Share your screen. Pooja, just share your screen for 5 minutes. After that, we will move in the topic. Where is that? Yeah. So if suppose she have to create folder, what she will do? Go there, right, left side, training is written. Yeah, nearby that icon below. Yeah, there. First is for file. Second is go for second. Second is for folder. So click on that. This now give any folder name. Just today is day one. Give day one. Okay, hit enter. Ritesh started call in batch 2. Lalan, do one thing. Go in batch 2, join that call, and tell him to join in this itself. Okay. Okay. So day 2. Sorry, we created folder day 1. Okay. After that, what we can do? If you have to create a folder, sorry, file, what you will do? You have two options. First, see, when you going with that new file or new folder, your folder should be selected. Suppose when there will be multiple, it is very confusing that which folder is selected now. So now that blue color is highlighting that day one means that folder is selected. You can do one more option. Right click on that particular folder. Right click or left click, yeah, and then new file. You can go with new file. First one, first option, yeah, click. Give name like so today is a day one, so give that a day1.html. Day1.html, and never write file name with a small letter, sorry, capital letter, a starting capital letter. Never write html means file name capital letter. Always try to write with a small letter. So day1.html, hit enter. So this way we can create our file, okay, like a day1.html or whatever you want. But now we're going to understand only which file, HTML file, no any others. Okay. So now we will write a code in this one, then we will look over that. Is it clear how we create the file and folder?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same type. Next option is one more. If suppose you had created outside, and after creating outside, if you want to move that folder means a file inside a particular folder, what you can do? You can do that option after going in the file explorer. Means how we can go from here in file explorer. That particular file location, yesterday we had seen one option, reveal in file explorer. How we was getting that? Right click means left click, reveal in file explorer. Yeah, click that. So it opened that particular file location. Now see, go just one day means one step back. That is a training. Click on training, then day one is there top file. Yeah. So click that training. Now we came in this, and what we want to move index file also in that day one. Okay. What you can do? You can move from here, but we will not move from here. We will do that from the editor because this option everybody know. We will cut and paste there. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So we will not do from here. We will do that from the our editor. Go in the editor, VS Code. You can close this. Yeah. So just take that index.html file. Take the index.html. Select that. Yeah, index.html. And now you have to press the mouse left button and drag and drop in the upper one. Press hold and move up. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Go left there. Left below. Yeah. Left. Left that. No, this side itself. You are on right, correct. Left there. Left your mouse.
Left is this side.
No, no. Left in the sense वहां पे छोड़ दीजिए. Okay, go on first one. Select that explorer. Now you are in the second tab. Get open. Yeah. So यहाँ पे पकड़ना है और उस पे छोड़ देना है. Drag and drop. Okay.
इंडेक्स को
First
डे 1 में मतलब ड्रैग करना
हाँ,
है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. यहाँ पर से उठा के उसमें रख दीजिए. Drag and drop. Correct. Left there. हाँ, yeah. Click that. Move. Now your folder index.html become in the day 1. Sweta, is any issue? Had you got this? Got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just we had a hold that and we had drag and drop there. Then it got moved. Now, how you will realize that whether this all file is inside day 1 or outside? See, in near day 1, some logo means some down arrow mark is there. Left side of day 1. Yeah. Click that. When you will click, it will collapse. And after minimizing, after collapsing, whatever file will be inside here, it will be hidden. Now do one thing for verification, go in the file explorer. How we can go from here? No, for means file manager, you can tell. How we can go? Reveal in file explorer. Click now. Right click and reveal in file explorer. Now see, previously index.html was outside. Correct? But now that is not here. Click that day 1. Day 1, day 1. Yeah, open that folder. Now see, your index came here. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this way we can move our file. Suppose by mistake we had created outside, because while selecting it will be. So that's why we can move in this way. Otherwise copy and paste from outside also. Okay, you can stop now sharing. So is it clear for all? How we can create file and how we can move? Clear? Anyone have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt? Just tell me. Okay,
No doubt.
fine. Okay, so this way we can go means without going in the file explorer, and we can do that shortcut. See, always try to use shortcut, means as much possible. Okay, so now we going to start HTML. So can anyone explain what is HTML? Anything, whatever, correct, wrong, that's not the matter. Whatever you know, just tell me something. Is my screen proper visual or not? Just first let me know. Okay, so what is HTML? Actually, see,
Hypertext
yesterday,
markup.
okay, fine. So see, what is that HTML? Whatever things you will write on this page, which page? 1.html. How it will realize that this is HTML page or any other page? Sweta, Amol, how they will realize but this is HTML page or JavaScript or CSS, any others? How? Any idea?
That file is there, no, sir.
No, not that file, extension.
That HTML dot HTML.
Yeah, so the extension .html means 1.html. So with the help of or anyone, means unknown person will also get notify, get realize that this belong to which file? HTML category. Got this? Sweta, is it clear?
Sir.
Okay. So with the help of a .html notation, they will realize this one. Just 1 second. Okay, so how anybody will realize that this is this page containing to HTML with the help of what? This text, what is written or how? Quick, we had just revised this thing. How that anybody will realize that this page belong to HTML? Pooja, how this will be realized?
By .html.
Yeah, so that extension, with the help of that extension, it will realize. Okay, so what I will do, yesterday we had seen some structure, correct? But I had not written those structure anything, but we will verify whether that working or not working. Yesterday had we seen or not that this structure HTML, we was taking this HTML colon file, but in this we had seen that it was working. But let me do one thing. I'm not going to write those anything and just verify that whether it's working or not. I will start my live server. As everyone have this open with live server, click this. Just wait, it will take some time. Yeah, it get open. Okay, and we got some file also. Same thing is there or not? Just to see first line LOREM. Same thing is there. So now tell me how browser realized that this belongs to HTML, because we had not given any structure, nothing is there. Then also whatever content we had written over this page, it gone to display on the browser. Correct or not? Is this correct? Please reply and don't message in the chat box. That I will tell. I will not respond there. Okay. So whatever we had written, it gone and reflected in the browser. So means one scenario we got. Okay, let me do one thing. Same thing I will remove and I will pass inside that structure. Where we will pass that? Anyone? Where we have to write those things? Pooja,
In
yeah.
the 10th line.
Line number?
10th.
Okay. You're telling 10th. Okay. Let's do. This sound is echoing from each member. I don't know. When they are unmuting, it's making echo. Okay, so what I done, I had passed that whatever content was there in the body. Let's verify. And after saving, is any more changes or any changes we are getting on the browser? Just save. See, okay, let me confirm whether my file is saved or not. Confirm me that.
No, this file is
How
not.
you will confirm?
Because of the
How?
sign dot in the HTML.
Correct. So on top we getting one bullet sign, means this dot, okay, and one more numbering. Correct.
Yes.
So with the help of this, we can easily identify that our file is not saved. Means whatever you getting this content, these are from the old. Now I going to save, and after saving it will auto load because my server is running. So see, we had saved the file. Do one thing, reload this page. If suppose maybe it not get saved. So see, my file is saved and there is no any changes in content. Means what you observed from this tooth, without a structure and with a structure, what you realized? Had you realized anything? Can anyone just give summarize? Can anyone? Hello? Yeah, tell. What you realized from there?
Yeah, nothing will change now.
Okay.
Same. But one
That,
thing, if I want to change some paragraph, some line, then you have to
okay.
use, and you have to use in HTML through you can change.
Okay. That's fine. But my question was, just 1 second. Yeah. My question is that when we had written the same thing without content, correct? Means a structure, you can tell. Without a structure, and when we had written this thing with a structure, what happened? Anything happened or not? So nothing had happened. Okay, means We can write anything without a structure also. We can write anything with a structure also. But when you passing anything without a structure, HTML will means a browser web page will understand easily whatever is written on this page. If that is belonging to some HTML means a browser is understanding anything with the help of tags. Okay, what is tag? Don't worry now. We will cover in the upcoming. Okay, so with the help of tag, he will easily identify where have to place. Okay, so first, if suppose if you go, you have to design anything. Suppose you have to construct one house. Okay, how you will construct? What you will do? First step. Can anyone? This is simple thing. Don't go coding. Just tell me how you will do and what is the process. Starting a step, which will be? Can anyone? If you have to construct a house, suppose that okay, left, two girls is there. If you have to do makeup, what you will do? First step. Hello, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you have to do any makeup or you have to go in party. So what you will do? First step. You will purchase the material. You will first make the list. Correct. After
Yes.
that, after that only you can. Suppose you have to construct one house. What you will do? First you have to make one map regarding that raw means raw infrastructure. Then only you will get some basic idea how much pricing and those all details. Correct or not? So
Correct.
same thing in case of HTML and in our coding standard also. We have to make some means like you can tell a structure. Okay, and due to a structure we can easily get that is something this is required and this is not required, those things. So in case of HTML, if you had written any content, okay, whatever you will write on .html page, whether that is without or with, it will display. Means a browser will then only I will display. There will be no restriction. Okay, browser putting friendship with all, whether you coming with a proper uniform or without, that's not the matter. So what it will do, but what is the need of putting inside proper structure? Can anyone from both patches? If you putting in proper structure, what is the benefit? Please speak up. Don't sleep. This is 9 o'clock. Okay, tell me. No idea. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have no idea, just tell me no idea. That's fine. So see, when we putting in this one without any structure, okay, can you realize this structure means your body structure? Something is there like that.
Yes,
What
sir.
is on the top? First
Head.
step, head.
Head.
It's like our body structure. First on the top head. Then what is this? Body. Then complete body section came means. And what about this one? This starting HTML is there and this one, then what you can consider this means our complete body. Correct or not?
Yes. Correct.
Okay. What about others? Sweta, Amol, Ritesh, Samsad. Nobody is speaking. Anybody having mic issue? Tell me, I will order on Amazon. Hello? Oh my God, this much. Why nobody is speaking? Ritesh. Ritesh, is my voice audible or not? You are on unmute. Okay. So this complete structure is known as the HTML structure. If you can compare with our body, you will get easily. Then what is on the top? Top head is there. Okay, then what is next? Next is body section. Then some footer will also come here. We will learn this upcoming. Then we will get that. This is footer tag actually. So whatever content means sequence, these all are in this way. Okay, so whatever you will write, it will display. So now my next question, if suppose if we will cut this line, okay, and if we will pass this line in the head, will it work or not? What are you thinking? Just tell me thinking, then after that we will check that whether it have to work or not. Please.
No.
No. Okay, fine. What about others? Total how many member? I want each member opinion. That's it. Wait. First, batch one have batch two have to tell. After that, we will go with batch one. Tell Ritesh, what is your opinion? If we put it that means inside this head section, will it work or not? Because previously we had seen with the body, we had kept in the body section, it was working. But now we had passed that thing in head section. What will be? Okay, Samsad. Okay, Lalan, nobody is speaking. Wait, I will kick out from the group. Just wait. Yeah, Sweta. What about this? What are you thinking? When we had kept this thing inside a body, this part. Okay, so that time it was working. But when I keeping this inside a head, what will be? Will it work or not work? Hello? It will work. Okay, let's go. No, it will not work. Okay, fine. It will not work. What about next? Lalan? Whether it will work or not? I don't know which type of batch this is. Nobody is speaking. If I will ask this thing from batch one, they will start fighting. Okay, let's see. So we had passed something here. Let's verify our end itself. I have not idea whether it will work or not. I had saved the file and it got reloaded and it's displaying that thing. Means what you observed, it's working. What I had told first line, starting time itself, whatever you will write here, okay, on which page, .html page, everything will be available on your browser. I had told this or not? Because first time what we had done, we had passed this way. That time it had not got this, that a body structure, head, title, nothing. It had worked. So whatever you will write anything on your HTML page, it will work. Shweta, now it's clear. And Pooja, is it clear now for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it not going to distinguish between body, head, footer, nothing. If you will pass that thing in body, in footer. Now see, I passed it that thing footer. Footer means what? Our leg, like that. So it will work then also. Just see it coming. Okay. So had you realized anything? Means if you passing anywhere, okay, it will available. But then what is the need of this complete structure? The need of a structure is to arrange the document properly. Got my point? To arrange the document or whatever we are passing properly. Suppose just imagine if in place of foot writing is this one inside a body, if I passing with head, means tomorrow what we doing, whatever code is required, be not passing inside body and be passing with head itself. Okay, all things. Will it look good or it will look like a dustbin type? Because these all area are complete empty and you had passed everything here. Then it will look like a dustbin. Okay, that will be not proper arrangement. But a browser it will take whatever you passing, it will take in the browser section. But we are following some step. So we have to follow like that. We will never pass these all things in head section. What we will pass in head, we will discuss that. So where we will write all things
Body.
The body. Okay, so whatever we want to display on our UI, this page, browser page, we have to write inside body. Is it clear? What is the use of body now? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt regarding body?
No, sir.
No doubt. Fine. So now we understand where we will write our content, full content, whatever coming in browser. That is body section. Now I will go. Who is this? Chaman Abhishek. Why he started in batch 2? Hello. Yeah. So what you got regarding the body? Next, I will go one by one because now we are aware something. Okay, regarding the structure. Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay. So now we will go one by one. What is on the top? Something is there, doc type HTML. This doc type HTML, it going to tell you, you have to keep paper and pen with you, okay, to write these all things. Some points we will cover, okay, that we have to write. But you will get this thing in material, but you have to keep paper and pen because we will check your note also. That is the thing. Okay, so what is the need of this doc type HTML? This going to explain about the document or document type, okay, and version of the document. As like you have mobile phone, okay, what about that mobile phone? Which Android version you have? Can anyone tell? Anything random, no issue. Android 10, Android 11, that's like, okay, so that type itself, it going to explain you what type of a document that is, means document version type. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah, so it is already written in material, all things, so don't worry those, but then also you have to. So this is the just declaration, okay, it defining the document type, but mostly which document type it will be? It will be belong to document HTML5, okay, not any others. Just see the material one time. What is written? HTML document type declarations defines that this document is HTML5 document. It will reference, it will give reference, okay, because when we had taken another extension yesterday, means directly what we had taken one more extension here, like HTML. This one, what had came? It had nothing had came. Is there any doc type on the top in this case?
And how many hops I will be able to reach out from this browser?
Hello.
If you see this A that is directly connected, so we'll have hops as 1. This is directly connected, it is through 2. That
okay, so when we had pass this doc type, sorry, this normal HTML, then is there doc type available on the top? No doc type is available. Means this document belong to HTML5 or not? First question, first.
No.
No, because doc type, if doc type is available on top, then only you can tell that HTML belong to HTML5. So we will remove this and we will come back on our. So for first one, clear or not? In interview, they are asking what is the need of a doc type. So you
Yes.
can tell that it going to represent document type. Okay, that this belong to HTML5, like that. Okay, next, what is this HTML? This is just complete our body structure. As I told you, this belongs to our complete body structure, and it going to see here some arrow marks is coming. Don't think that this is just useless. No, when you will click this, just look over what will happen. Click this, what happen? Can anyone please be active? Shweta, Amol, what happened this? When we had collapse, what happened?
No idea.
No idea, fine. What about others? Pooja, had you realized anything?
Everything comes under 2.
Correct. Oh, not a 2, it's got collapse. Okay, just do one thing. Yes, that time we had seen here also for your folder. what it had done in your case? When we had click on this one, what it had done? It had collapsed. Correct or not?
Yes.
We had verified that if suppose multiple file is there, it had collapsed. Then only we can verify easily that this file belong to that particular folder. Correct. So same
Yes.
thing it had done. With the symbol itself, you can realize. See, now it's look like up means in the horizontal line means it collapsed now. But when it's looking like this means the complete structure is opened. Correct. So it going to means you can tell it going to keep in one means it had collapsed, minimize that structure. Means when you clicking this, just what will be last? What is the last one? Line number 22. What is written?
HTML.
HTML. Okay, means this is opening, this top is opening and last is closing. Okay, this is the thing. Opening and closing. What is opening, closing? We will tell. Don't worry that one. But what it had done, it had collapsed all things. Now I will show you one another. Now see how many arrow marks you getting? 1, 2, and 3 drop down. Total we are looking over here. Now I will click on head. Now you have to realize what happened. Tell me. What happened? What are you realizing?
Only export is collapsed.
Yeah,
Collapse.
so only head section got collapsed. Means this particular area. Now I going to collapse body. What will happen? Whatever content was inside body, it got collapsed. Correct?
Yes.
So same thing I going for footer. It going to collapse. Now tell me where is your body means a structure. It got collapsed inside each. Correct? Now it's we are looking only head, body, footer, and HTML on the top. But inside head, multiple things was there. So it's not looking. Means with the help of this, we can find out easily that this complete section belonging to which one? By collapsing, how we can find? What we will do? It going to tell that this completely belonging to which one? Head section. Correct or not? See, it going to collapse. Then we can easily identify that this completely belong to that particular section. Clear? So same thing will applicable for this body also. If you written anything inside body, it is going to collapse. Any issue in this one? Please.
No, sir.
No issue? Fine. So with the help of this, we can easily identify whatever content coming inside head, body, footer, or whatever tag. We will study later. So this one. Second, what is the use of HTML on the top? This is going to tell you that your document belong to HTML. That's fine. And this is the root of element. As you can look over document. What is the first line? Please read this line at least. What is that? HTML element is the root element of HTML page. As like any tree have root. After that, it's some stem, then branches, then leaves, then fruit. Tree structure I telling you. So as like that, root is the which one? HTML. Okay. After that, is this fine? What means the HTML on the top? Just one word, HTML, not LANG. Okay. Let's go with another one, LANG. What it will do? LANG, it going to represent about the language. Okay. This is the short language, and there is EN. EN belong to English, and you can modify other language like US. So EN, different EN. Don't write Hindi, English, Tamil, Malayalam, anything. It will not take them. Okay, it will consider only a standard language. So maximum it will take only English or US English like that. Okay, so this no need. So what it belong to? This belong to root. Now come to this section, head section. So up to this clear or not? Tell me first. This two section. In the document already, don't worry regarding that, but understanding is the main thing. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. So now come to head section. So in a head section, what it doing? It keeping all the things like when we will go further in the next session, then we will look more like metadata, then a style, this, that, many things are there. So don't worry those. So just go there. Elements contain, sorry, HTML head element. It contain what? Meta information about the HTML page. What is meta information? Left this one. I will tell. So it going to contain only meta information. And okay, first is meta information. Okay, this 3 line containing meta information. How you telling that meta information? Meta information because meta is written here. Okay, that's why I telling meta information. You can tell that directly meta tag. Tag is a new word for you, but slowly we will get this. So this is meta information. Next, title. Can anyone tell me where this title is coming? Means, wait. I written something. Now you have to look in your website and now you have to observe and tell me where that word came. Are you observing this thing on your website anywhere? Let me remove this. Otherwise you will search in this area. Why this not refreshing? Yeah. Now tell me where that title came. Can you anyone find that in your web page? That is available. I will tell you. But where that is, you have to find out. This title, something is written. What is written? Live Pure Technology. Where that is available in this complete blank page. Where you finding? Okay, let me pop out. Yeah. Now tell me where that is you getting that one.
The
In the
total
top.
like you
Top.
Left top.
Correct. So what are you telling that one actually? Tab.
yes, sir.
We are telling that tab or not?
Yes.
In normal we are telling tab. So whatever you will write in the title section, okay, that will came here on the top. Yeah, so whatever you will write in the title, it will came on the top. What I will do now, I will not pass that title in the top, in the head section. Maybe you thinking that this is inside the head, that's why it's coming on the top. I will not pass this here. I will keep this in the body section. Now see, I going to make change. I change this came. I will tell you what I had done that one later. I passed here. Now tell me where this will be available now. This title. Now you got one tag, title. Okay, this is known as tag actually. So where this will available now? Can anyone?
In the
Where this
content.
means you telling in the content in the body section, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Fine. What
Yes,
about
sir.
others?
Yes, sir.
Amol, there, okay,
Yes.
fine. Can anyone others? Can anyone? Build that title, whatever we had written, Live Pure Technology, build this available in the body section or as usual previous in the tab.
Sir, body section.
In body section, fine. Who is this person?
Praful.
Okay, fine, thank you. What about others? Anyone? Samsad?
Sir, not in
Yeah.
body section, sir. Sir, not in body section, sir.
Okay, where this will available?
Sir, yeah, after head.
Head. Okay, means you telling tab. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. What about others? Anyone, please, quick. Okay, so let's verify. I don't know where it will come. I have not idea. Just we will save and we will check where it's coming. What are you getting on the top now? 1 to 7.00 something. Okay, just save. What you got? Where that is? Is that
Tab.
available on the body section?
No.
Where that is?
In the tab.
Means in the same position.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Means how that belong to same position. With the help of which means with the help of what thing it realized that it have to be available in the top only, not in the body and not in the footer. Who had to tell that? Any idea? Anything, just roughly. Now by keeping in footer. Okay. Okay. Don't keep in footer. I will pass complete outside. If I passing here outside, is this belonging to HTML structure now? Yes or no? Because I had kept outside. Let me remove this completely. Now only one thing on the page, just a title. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now tell me where it will available now. Where it will appear now? Same or different?
Because
Yeah,
title.
because title. Fine, correct.
Because the title. Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So now what about now? Where whether it will available on the same place or in the body it will come or it will not come anywhere. Where it will?
In tab.
In tab. Okay, fine. What about Pooja?
So there is no HTML body structure. So
Nothing is there. Yeah. So where it will come?
I hope in the body because
Okay.
there is no HTML structure. So
Okay, fine. No issue. Just now we will save and we will check. Where it coming? Where is available now?
in the tab.
In the tab itself. Because whatever you had passed here, the structure was just for simple, just for reference, that for arranging the document. Got it? I had told in the first itself that the structure is just for arranging document. It's not going to do anything. But how the browser understand regarding appearance, location of any particular tag? How? With the help of this name, title name. Now do one thing. Remove this name itself. And now realize. Now tell me where it will available. Don't think these
In
are
the
magic. Nothing.
in
Yeah.
the body.
Where in the body? Okay. What about others? Sweta, Pooja. Sorry. Sweta, Ritesh, Amol.
Body shape.
In the body, you
In the
telling,
body.
okay? In the body. So this is correct in the body. Let's see.
Yeah, in the body.
Correct. So now it came on the body. Why not it came on the top? Because we had not passed which thing?
Title.
Title.
Title. So with the help of title, it realized that it have to appear where? On the top, because title will always belong to top. Got it? That is the thing. So now we understand one tag, which is a title. What it going to do? It will always keep whatever content be writing on the where? Title will do? Always keep where?
In the
Whatever
top.
we will write, yeah, in the top. It not going to means it not going to display according to placement. Placement in the sense position. That it belonging to body footer, so it will come in the body. No, not like that. Okay, so we can pass this thing anywhere, but something is some proper should be required. Okay, so what is proper? Proper is that means arrangement, placement, position of that one. So title always we will keep in the head section, no anywhere. Okay, is this clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the things we will kept inside head section? Inside head we will pass meta tag and title. Don't worry regarding meta, what it will do, we will learn that later. So with the help of this thing, it coming in the head section. So I think head section clear. What is the need of HTML tag? That clear. Doc type clear. Language clear. Tell me anyone having any issue up to now. Then we will move next. Up to now, anyone have any doubt? Silly question also you can ask. If you want to test something, then also I will test. Tell me first. Okay, nobody respond means no issue. So now we will move in the next section regarding the body section. What body will do? We had seen many things. I think now anyone can explain regarding the body. Can anyone? Amol, Pooja, Sweta.
So
Just
anything we write in the body section, it will come in the.
correct. So whatever we will write in body, it will appear here. Okay. But a style will change according to requirement, according to tag. Style will change. But whatever you will write, it will appear there. Means if you writing the same title in the body, that will also working fine. This we had passed here, it working fine, but where it appearing? In the top. Why? Because the title is written, and due to title it appearing on the top. Let's see. Correct. But what we will do? We will remove this thing outside. Means I want both place title there also and here also. Now save and let's see. Had you got in the body also?
Yes.
We got this in the body also. So whatever you will write inside body, it will appear here. So any issue in the body in this case section? In the case of body?
No.
No issue?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now came to footer. So in footer also, if you will pass this thing, it will work fine. Same thing. In the first line itself, I had told what whatever you writing in the HTML page. HTML page means the file with have extension .html. It will appear in your browser. Whether it is proper or not, it's not matter. Now by keeping the same thing in the footer, let's see what happened. It came in the same. There is no any changes. But in the browser side, there is no any changes. But what you realize from here in the sense of footer, but this have to come somewhere in the bottom. Footer means bottom, correct? So in most website, what you will look, addresses, contact detail, these are in the bottom, correct or not? Contact details. Sorry, spelling. Whatever is spelling mistake, just ignore, not an issue, that one. So whatever be placed in the contact detail, it will pass here. But in the UI, you will not realize any differences, but you will realize those difference on our coding side. That when you will read this line means our code, you will easily got this footer containing something means it have to come in the bottom side. We not want in the placing this thing in the top. Means this body means easily understand it will come in the full browser. If we passing some head, it will come in the full head section. Means we can easily identify and we can get this idea. Now tell me, this is your HTML structure. Anyone have any issue? Tell me. Anyone having any issue? Please. I will give it 2 minutes. Just I coming back. If you have any issue, just keep that issue. I coming. Meanwhile, you have any issue, you can ask. Other member will help you in that also. So you can ask, discuss anything. Hello. Okay. So any issue? Anyone? Or can we proceed next?
No issue, sir.
Okay. 1 second. One call is going. Yeah. So I think no issue. Now it's clear. See, if you have any issue, you can ask. Anybody will help you who all know actually this thing. So what we had covered? We had covered the complete structure of our HTML. My voice is audible, correct? Just let me confirm.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So
Yes,
now
sir.
we will move in the next. So now tell me someone how we can check our page source. Yesterday I think I had discussed whatever we had written here. I want to check in the browser because I not want to look over there. I want to check here. How we can check? Anyone having any idea? See what we can do.
Sir,
Means
left click right and inspect.
correct. So we can right click or left click, right click and don't inspect. Go in view page source. Okay, that is another thing. We will discuss that also. But for right now, view page source. When you will click this, you will get that complete whatever we had written. Actually, this is coming because we are running on the live server. That's why you getting this some extra codes. Okay, due to live server. But when you will move directly, then you will get the complete. But something you can understand here. Title is there. Then in body section, we had written something. Same thing is coming. Correct or not? So when you will run this file locally, then you will get this. Let me verify that also. Just wait. It will take only 1 minute. That's you. How we can go there? Which option? First, for going the file manager. Reveal in file explorer.
File Explorer.
Okay, and just hit enter. Now you got this something. Now go in view page source and check the page source. What you got? And you got the same thing or not? Now do one thing. I will copy code from here. Okay, I copied the code and I will paste that same code here. See, I'm going to delete this completely. Okay, and just save this first. Sorry, I had copied. Yeah, okay. Control C, remove this file and remove this also. And first save this one. And let's see whether we getting anything or not. Nothing is there. Let's verify here in this section. Nothing is coming. Okay, now paste that same thing and save and let's verify what happened. We got the same detail or not. Okay, means if you have done any mistake or anything, if you wanted to take any websites means source code, you can copy like this way and you can paste. But don't think that all website you taken the code and you pasted it will work. No, many things dependencies are there. Okay, so this way we can verify our page source. What about that second and our option that inspect? We will look that also. So for right now, it's fine. Let's me reload. Yeah. Okay. So next thing. Next is about the tags. What is tag actually? Anyone having any idea regarding tag? Anyone having any idea regarding tag? What is tag or this thing? If no, then also fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what we had done right now, we had taken a structure. Okay. Simple document structure. After that, we will go in something like if what we had written some title, what it had done actually with the help of title? Can anyone? With the help of title, what it had done? Had he done anything?
In the tab.
In the tab means whatever be written there in title, it came on the top in the tab section. Correct? So what we will do now? Okay, it came on the top, but actually what is that one? How he realized? Oh my God, this MDN. So what was that actually? Whatever is written inside this, how he realized that it have to appear on the top only, means in the navigation bar in the tab section, because this belongs to, this is basically known as tag. This all whatever is written inside angular braces. Which is angular braces? This one is known as angular braces. Less than, less than, greater than. This is known as your angular braces. So whatever you will write inside this, this is your belong to angular braces. So in HTML, the main role is of a tags, HTML tag. So the word tag means whatever be writing here, with the help of that, it will perform. Okay, it will change their appearance, position, whatever property they have, they will take that. Okay, like suppose you going to bring mango, mango will be sweet, but it you going to bring something like chili, it have the some property like bitter or whatever. Okay, so they will contain, they will get that property with the help of that particular tag. Okay, so the word tag, now you have to familiar with the tag name. So now I going to write one thing. So can anyone tell regarding this page what all tags are written here? Inside less than and greater than, what all you getting here?
Slash.
What about, yeah, which one?
Slash.
Oh no, wait, okay, see, what about this head? Is this written inside less than and greater than or not?
Yes.
Means this belong to tag. What about this one? Is this written both on the inside less than and greater than or not?
Yes.
Means this belong to tag. What about this top? This also belong to, correct? What about this? Belonging to or not? Less than greater than means it belong tag. Correct. Sweta, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So whatever written inside less than and greater than, those all things belonging to tags. So now I think you can tell some tags here in this complete page. Tell me some. Amol, Sweta, just tell two tag at least. What about this bottom? This section, footer, is this belong to tag or not?
It belongs to you.
Belonging or not?
Belonging.
Yeah, it will belong because what I told, whatever written inside less than and greater than, it belong to tag. So if this is belong to tag, then what about this one? Means I going to write in one line. Now I think tag is clear. How you can identify tag. Now tell me if this is your tag, okay, less than greater than whatever written, that is tag. So what about this? Any idea? And where you getting this one? Contact detail. Tell me first that one.
In the bottom.
In the bottom or in the body section, you can tell, means in your browser, anywhere. Correct. So this belong to your content. This is known as content. Okay, whatever you will write inside it means after less than and greater than, means after tag, that is known as content. So these are belong to content section. Is it fine regarding content? Whatever you will write. Okay, so what about this one? These all are
Content.
content. Okay, because we had written inside less means in after this one, means after tag. Now I will not tell body or this that, I will tell body tag. Okay, head tag, footer tag, like this. So we had written all thing after this one. Okay, so this is content. So what about this one? Is this tag?
Yes.
Is okay, that is tag. So if that is tag, then why? What is the need of writing 2 time footer? Because footer is 1 time also here and 1 time more here. Can you observe some differences in both? And tell me what difference you observing in both? Why will you
Slash.
write duplicate?
Sir,
Yeah,
slash.
slash is there.
Yes.
So
Yes.
wherever slash will be, that is known as a closing tag. Okay. Wherever slash is available on the same type, it means a closing tag. And wherever slash is not available, that will belong to which one?
Opening.
Opening. Correct. Opening tag we can tell. Okay, starting also that's fine, but opening and closing, 2 words is there. So if you retain anything inside opening and closing, means that particular element belong to the particular tag. Got this? Now this contact detail we had written inside which one? Opening tag and closing tag. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Means
sir. Correct.
means this contact detail belonging to which tag? What will be tag name?
Footer.
Footer. So whatever tag opening and closing having, that belong to that one. Now you have to quickly revise. What about this one? Within which tag? This section.
Body.
Body. Correct. What about this tag completely?
Head.
Head. What about this one?
Met.
Meta. That is meta tag. Okay, I will explain that something. What about this one? Which tag?
Tell.
Title.
Title. So where the title will appear? Always where?
In the tab. In the top.
And in the tab
In
section
top.
top. Correct. So this way, opening and closing, whatever content you want, you have to pass inside that one. But suppose sometime what you will get, this closing is not there. Okay. This closing will be not there, and maybe it will appear in single or it will not appear also. But some tag have that property, like I showing you BR one tag. Okay. Is this have anything written slash? Slash is appear there?
No.
No,
No,
means this have
sir.
not, this have not a closing tag. Okay, this is just opening. Some tag have not any closing. Let's see what it had done actually. You not realize anything here. Wait, I will comment this. Now save. Not realized. Okay, wait. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. I will pass here BR. Okay, and I will write here. Let remove this. Okay. First, I will remove this BR and you have to realize what it happened. Let me comment last one. Now tell me, now where is that both line is appearing? On the same time? Means it is on the same line, horizontal line or not? Now this both line, this is a testing and lorem ipsum something is written. So both are appearing on same line. Now I going to pass a BR. Tell me what happened?
Line break.
Line break. Means whatever you had written after BR tag, it gone into new line. Correct or not? So this is the use of BR tag. So now we got one tag, that is BR tag, that going to help you in line break. If you have to write multiple time, just pass BR tag. Suppose I have to write something like this way. What I done? I had written all line in the same line. I not want. I want after sit it have to break. What I will do? Can anyone?
Opening tag.
Which tag that will be? After sit I
BR
will have to pass BR tag.
tag.
So here see, I will pass that BR. Okay. See, when you will write that tag name, you will get suggestion because we had installed that HTML, CSS, that extension. So you will get this suggestion. So BR tag. Just you have to hit enter. Automatic it will get less than and greater than. Let's see. It came or not? Less than and greater than means it working. Now you can see the color. If that will be proper, everything is proper, then you will get proper color. Otherwise it become red like that. It will give you warning also. Don't think that this is just for decoration purpose, the colorful coming. This is not colorful or those things. It coming because there is no error. Otherwise, if error, then it will give warning. We'll show you the error also. So BR tag. Now what will happen? Tell me the output. I will not save. First tell me output.
The
Shweta, what?
line
Yeah,
That's it.
okay.
Line break, sir.
From where? After where?
after set.
Sit. Let's
It's up.
save. After sit. Let's save. What happened? After sit line break. I want to break this line from here also. Okay. What I will do? I will pass the same BR tag here. Okay. If I will break here like this, will it work or not? Tell me.
No, no, sir.
No. Okay. What about Pooja? Will it work or not?
Sir, workout.
It's
Yes.
worked fine. Pooja, it will work. Okay. Let's see what it will do. Where is that? Don't think this is a, we will take knife and we will cut and it will work. Okay. It will not work. Whatever we are passing, it will imagine these all are one single document. So it will not work means by their own. We have to tell, you have to break, then only. What I will do?
Use BR tag.
BR tag. Where I will pass BR tag? We can pass here. Wherever you writing means just imagine if you write written here means after this all line will be break. Okay. Let's save and let's check. Had you got that BR tag due to BR tag this line?
Yes.
Correct. Why where I want a Q? What is there? Where okay? Let it to be where that is. So wherever you can pass this BR, it will go into new line. See, this line came in the new line. Correct. So with the help of BR tag only, we can break. Don't worry that means you will break into new, it will get into new line. No, not like that. Is it clear? Now we are familiar with two tag. One is a title and one is BR. And whatever head, body, these also, but at least these two. Anyone have any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. I have one doubt. This closing bracket is in the first step. Correct? What about if I will pass in the last? Will it work or not? Or are you
Not
getting
work,
any
sir.
are you getting any warning error something on this editor itself? What are you realizing?
Sir, red line.
Yeah, that is actually a red line and that is warning. Because what about this slash color? This light dark, correct? Light black. But when you passed here, let's see whether it will work or not. It will work because we are passing HTML. Whatever you will write, it will work. It will not give you effect. But this is not correct. So that's why it's giving you red color. Just do one thing. Remove this dash and pass here. See. Oh, wait. Oh, due to this, it got removed. Okay. Now see that warning on color. That's I had told. Don't think that this color is belonging to colorful. This is giving you some idea, some suggestions. Okay. So what we had learned, we learn what is the opening tag, what is closing tag, and what about the middle, that is content. So what this completely known as? Now tell me. This completely known as HTML element. What it known as? HTML element. Got this idea? Anyone have any issue? Means opening tag, content, and closing tag. This completely known as HTML element. Anyone have any issue? Tell me. How many type of tag is there? One is with opening and one is without opening. Which is without opening? Which tag is in which tab have no open means a closing? Closing is BR tag. So BR tag belonging to there is no closing means end tag you can tell. Same thing. How you will realize that that is not closing because what? How you will realize that they have not closing? BR tag have not closing. How you will realize?
There is no slash.
Correct. So slash is not there. So if a slash will be there, then we can get that they have opening and closing. If slash is not, means that is not. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So that
sir.
is actually HTML document. Now you can revise whatever we had discussed. We had covered this document completely. Now we know that that is doc type declaration. Okay. We know how to check view page source. Already we seen that. This document completed. Wait. I will. Okay. So now come to some topics like something is pending in that, which is second. Yeah. What is meta tag? Now come to meta section. What are you getting from meta tag? Anyone having any idea? Others batch? Can anyone? Or Amol, you have any idea regarding meta tag?
No, sir.
No idea. Okay, fine. What about others? Anyone can? This is open for all. Explain who all have idea. Anything measured? No content fine in it. No one have idea. What about batch one? All are sleeping. Amardeep, can you explain what is meta tag?
Meta tag is about the data. We give the data of the content of the data which we provide in the body section. So what data we are getting, what data is it should be present in our website. About in metadata we provide that what type of data about the web page names and what we search in Google search bar. Now that's
Yeah,
should be matched in metadata.
correct. So metadata commonly we can tell. Now see what you had done. We had searched in Google top 10 schools in India. How Google had got this? How your website came for that particular thing? Website came and how Google know that your website having this content. You had passed this thing. Had you told to someone that you have website which is containing top 10 school detail, that a top 10 product detail? No. Then how Google is searching? Google is using algorithms for searching that websites. Then only Google is providing. And some say, now you can imagine how much many types of a website will be who will provide top 10 school details. These all things. Okay. Means in each school they are telling we are under top 10. Okay. Means just you can imagine millions, billions, whatever you can imagine in the full world, because Google is not giving particular area. It's searching in full. Means now you will get from the India location. But in India itself, you have like I think millions of schools. Correct. So how Google know that? And how Google had given only this one first list? Why not the bottom one in the top? See, bottom URL. Why it came in the bottom? Why not in the top? What Google means? This website had given amount to the Google that I will be in the top ranking. Means in the first position. No. So what is there? That is due to user traffic. Okay. If you will search any product in Google, suddenly you will get Flipkart, Amazon. Then you will get different. Okay. So that is due to user traffic. User traffic in the sense how many user visiting your website per minute, per hour, like that. Means in one day. Suppose, can anyone tell what about Amazon say? Per day means per day left. Per minute or per hour, how many user can visit their website? This is not belong to technical. Just give me any rough idea. What your imagination? 5 user, 10 user, more than 100, more than 1,000. What will be a possibility? Please just speak up.
Million.
Millions. So means millions of user visiting their website within few minutes or second you can tell. So same thing happening. So due to that user traffic, that Google is providing that list in the top. Now just imagine I had searched some website top 10 school and we got this website in the top list, because maybe the user traffic on this particular website the persons are visiting per minute more or per hour or per day. That's why Google had given you this. But now how Google had identified this website containing your search criteria? This one, top 10 school in India. Means sure this website had passed something like this in their websites. So what Google will do? Google will search those detail in your metadata. Okay. Now, can we check their source code or not? This website source page. Tell me.
Yes.
How?
By going
Inspect,
to page.
view page source. Let's do one thing. Click this view page source and let's verify what they have. What is written? Something is written there. This line. Are you getting this line? What is there? This text. I asking regarding this line sentence. That's it. What is written? Just read anyone.
Are you seeking the list of top 10 school in India?
And what I had searched in Google.
Top 10 school in India.
And what it had done. It had searched and it had got that thing. Top 10 schools in India. See, correct or not? So that's why with the help of this type, Google is providing any website in our list. Got this? Means if you will search, then if suppose the content, wait, I will copy the content complete source. I will pass here. Wait, I will not pass in this. I will create new file. .html. What are you thinking? We had saved this file. We'll get this complete website. This complete website will come to my page or not? What are you thinking? What is your observation? We had copied the complete code. Okay. Now we have like how much line going? 1,000 line of code, means more than. What are you thinking? Will we get those all website detail in our? It means in our page. Let's save and let's see what we getting. That is page 2, not 1 HTML. Sorry, URL become wrong. Now see, it will take some time in loading. Oh, it came, all things. Correct. This is running on my server. Okay, reduce this. Go in 100%. Now see that complete website came in our location. Correct or not? From where it's coming? Don't think from here. Now that is coming from, where is that? Oh, this one. And this is my URL. Anyone have any issue regarding this one? So we had a copy, pasted, and this complete. But had you realized something difference is there? What difference? See the structure means not a structure. You can tell that font and check this font. Something is different. Correct or not? Something font different. So maybe because that they using some font, but we using some different font. That's why. But this complete structure came means what we had done, we had copy and pasted that complete source code in our website. That's why it came all the things. So now my question is that regarding metadata. Okay, can we, what is the title? What is title?
Top 10 school in India.
Top 10 school in India. Let's search in our title. What is that? Where is the title? Title is here. See, top 10 school in India, best school in India. Title is that. Same thing came in the navigation bar, which we had a study just now. That if we will write anything in the title, it will come on the top. So this is your real website and we can verify that also. Now come to the metadata. So in metadata, we had passed some description. So see what you getting here actually. Wait, I will do full screen. This one first. So in metadata, what you observing? In meta, first what is written? 1 second. Yeah, meta name, something name is written. That's not an issue. So whatever you can pass here like a property and value. Okay. And again, something details be passing. So same type came on this one. We passed some name. Name is the property and what is value? Description is the value. Okay. And in description, what he passed and the second property is content. And in content, what he passed? he passed some detail. What is this detail belonging to actually? Wait, I will copy this content only, and after that I will remove this complete data. Okay. But don't do that one. That if you thinking that if I will copy paste, then my website become ready. You can't do that thing. Copyright will be there. So see, in metadata, now what is available? Section is name, okay? And in name section, what we had passed, name equal to description, okay? And in second, what we had written, content. And in content, we had passed some description. Description, how we realize this is description? Because here we had passed a description. Name, some value. Then inside content, we have to pass a description. If you want something, you suppose you were going to make any website which is belonging to your shopping mall or something like that, then you can pass here. Whatever you can means how you will pass and what is content you will pass. You have to think that how you want to attract your user on your website, how you want to catch user, means how you want that anybody can search your, and in search that your website will reflect. So you can pass like this. Suppose that you are going to do means you are going to open any shopping mall. What you can do, you can pass there shopping mall, we are providing this item, everything will be cheaper, this that, means many things you can write there. Whatever you will write, it will available. And when Google will search, with the help of this search, okay, whatever matching word will come, like previously we had searched top school in India, with the help of this matching word, this website had reflected there. Okay, so this way we can search with the help of metadata. Now tell me, anyone have any doubt regarding metadata? So mostly this thing that a digital marketing person, maybe you had listened that job opening regarding digital marketing. So in the digital marketing case, they are doing mostly work on this type of things. Anyone have any issue regarding metadata? Tell me.
So there are three meta in this
Yeah.
heads.
Okay, fine. So we can pass multiple meta as much you can. Like say, I showing you on that website itself. Where is the website? You can pass multiple meta. That's not the compulsory that you can pass only one. No, you can pass as much you want.
Can we write the meta name in the meta char set?
Just one second. Let me just go one time here. Yeah. See, how many meta is here? One is meta tag. First one, line number 16. Second meta. Okay, let me copy this meta itself. Wait. Then you will realize more. I will remove. Okay, let it to be. Now tell me. Yeah. So now just verify how many meta is there. Okay. Now see, let's remove this. How many meta now you realizing here? It's many, more than one, correct or not? So we can pass a multiple meta as much your wish. You can pass. See, in each meta, something is different. So yeah, what was your question?
We can mention only in the meta name, not in the meta char set or meta HTTP, these two lines.
Which line? Line number?
From head, there are three. First meta char set UTF-8.
Oh, got it. This one you're telling. No. So this also contain to metadata itself. You can write anywhere. Means order is not the matter. Got it? But see, order is not matter, but something is there. What I had told name here. Oh, one second. Yeah, this is one category type you can tell. Name is like a property, and rebots is there. That is your value. Correct or not? Property value, like this way pair. It's going on. Got this? You had passed something name, then some value. Like see, second one. What is there? Name.
Keyword.
Name is keyword and some content. In content, you had passed some value. Can you tell me what is keyword? What are you using in the Facebook time or Twitter or LinkedIn in the keyword? Anyone? See, when you posting any, suppose that you publishing your image, suppose you passing any image. Okay, so sure you are passing some tagline, correct? Or you can pass, suppose you have to do link something posting on the that LinkedIn. What you will do? You will write something, job opening for fresher, 10th pass, 12th pass, these all things, correct or not? So those are belonging to keywords. So those keyword help anybody to search in Google. Suppose we are searching job opening in our Naukri. What we are passing? Angular, HTML, front end, this type of word. Correct. So these are your keyword. Okay. So due to that means possible keyword only your website will come on the top and your website will get highlight. Got this? But regarding arrangement, I will tell it's fine. You can write anywhere. Means each have separate thing. See, here you had told HTTP. These have different property and value. Correct or not? HTTP dash equivalent, that is property, and X dash UA compatible, that is value. So same thing after this. Then in content, what is written? IE edge. What means this? IE edge. Can anyone? What are you getting from this one? Are you getting anything or not? IE means Internet Explorer. Correct. And that is edge. What is that edge? Who all using Windows 10? They have that edge browser. Correct. So that belonging to the browser and it telling X dash UA dash compatible means this website become compatible with which one? Internet Explorer and Edge. That it going to tell information. So this type we can pass information. Metadata is doing more powerful job. If you will realize, then you will get many things. If you have to refresh your website, suppose this is my website and I want that each second I want to refresh my website, you can pass in the metadata. I don't know what was that tag. Just wait, let me check. Meta ref. I think we have to pass some time. Wait, I will search this. So in metadata, is it clear or anyone having doubt now also? Tell me. Pooja, is it clear now for you metadata?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Having issue?
No, sir.
Clear. So metadata actually it helping that's way. It not come. Oh, nothing is there in this website. Then how it will come? And I searching there. Wait. Let it to be this one. Okay. So how to refresh our page with metadata? FRESH refresh web page using meta tag. See, when you start typing, you will get some suggestion. That is known as keyword itself. That also you can tell meta means keyword. So see, here you can pass. How do I refresh in HTML? Set equal to 0. Let go this one. Meta equivalent refresh. Copy this line. And now pass this value. Now I'm going to remove this complete meta. I not want these all. See here it written that no, all in one SEO. This is for search engine optimization. It going to help like that. So that is the use of metadata. Is it looking boring or what? Wait, oh, HTML fine and metadata here copied. Okay, paste here. Then refresh if content equal to 0 and HTTP let's say to be whatever, and go here. So that. My page is not running on server. See, are you observing anything on website? What about the tab, navigation bar tab? Check. What it going here? It loading your website each second, means each millisecond you can tell. See that not stopping itself. Correct or not? In the nav bar. See, that's why you're not getting this button. If I will comment this line, wait, let me pass some time. Using meta after 2 seconds. Content equal to 5. Okay. Content 2. Let's see what it will do. See, now it's a stopping, but after 2 seconds, you will look over this one. Documents. It's blinking for few seconds, and this complete page is refreshing automatic. See this one cursor. Doing that or not? After few seconds, after 2 seconds, I had passed. That's why. Now you can pass a different, it means you can increase this value. You can pass this 5 seconds. Now see. Just wait. Now see. It auto refreshing. Had you observed? It blinking. Now go 1 second. Just see. See this one. This will blink and this will also blink. But you're not getting more difference here. Yeah, see, you can realize the difference. When you're selected and after refresh, this will gone. Got this? If I will select, if I will select this content, after refresh, it will gone. Now it got. Now, so you know when it's a means this is useful. Suppose you watching cricket match, a score in your website. So your website have to refresh each second. Then only the current means a run or whatever things are there, it will reflect. So that time we can use. But this is not good because it going to reload your complete website itself. We not want. We want to hide, means internally refresh the page. Anyone means now you got that with the help of metadata, we can do many things. So now it's clear. Yeah, one thing I will explain. Actually, what I had done, okay, suppose you have to write some random value or random data. Okay, what you will do? Means now suppose you have to write some dummy text. What you will do? Means suppose you going and write here something P. I don't know what is P. We will cover next. We have to write some text here. What you will write? Paragraph. Like this way, you will first think for 2 minutes and after that you will start writing. For practice also, you will do like this. What you can do, there is another option. If you want to write something, don't write like this. Go with dummy text. You can get that. You can write here shortcut anywhere. Just remove this paragraph itself. No issue. Inside this. What you will write? LOR. You got something. Okay. LOREM. You are getting. Pass here. How many text you want? How much text? Like I wanted 2 text only. 1 second. 2. LOREM. Completely. After that 2. Hit enter. What came? What you got here? Hello. Hello.
Lorem 2.
Yeah. So we got lorem 2 times. correct? But what we had entered that time, LOREM, lorem, and we had passed here 2. That's why we got only 2 text. I want now 5 text. So pass 5. It will give you dummy text. This is for dummy purpose, for testing purpose. How many text you got here? 1
5.
word, 2 word, 3, 4, 5th. Got this idea? You want more, like 30, 40, 50, like that. You can pass that. LOREM, lorem, and 40. Hit enter. Let's see how many you came.
40.
So these all are dummy text. Okay. So with the help of this, we can practice our website or whatever you are practicing. Otherwise, you will waste time in searching that content itself. And lastly, you will write XYZ. So you can use this way. Suppose you have to write inside paragraph. Okay. What is this paragraph? We will discuss. We have to pass this. And how many text you want? You want 5 text. Pass 5 and hit enter and save. You will get 5 text. Clear? So this way we can get our dummy text. Now I will go one thing more. Is this clear how we will get dummy text for all?
Yes.
Okay. What about Amol? Sweta?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So with the help
Clear.
of this, if you want, you can note down in your notebook also. It will be helpful. So with the help of a lorem text, we can get that dummy. Okay. Now, suppose I had written this code, but I not want to present in the UI section here, browser. What you can do? What will be the possibility? You will delete that file. Suppose I had written this, but I not want to refresh what I had done. That's left. But what you will do if you not want this one? But maybe you want this in future, but not now. What you will do? Pooja, what you will do actually? We had written something, okay? Like suppose we written here also something. Don't worry, what is that? But I not want that one. Like PARAGRAPH paragraph 2 not used. What is written? Paragraph 2 is not used. I not want this line to available on my UI. What you will do? We will delete that file, delete that text. So I deleted that one. Correct? What are you getting? You getting only whatever available here. But maybe in future, after 3 days, 4 days, you want that line. How you will get that? Any idea? Anyone? What we will do? We will not delete that line. We will comment. What means comment? Don't think regarding the Facebook comment. Okay. So we can comment. Comment in the sense this will be available here, but it will not in your browser and in your UI. Okay. Means now it is available here. I not want, but I want to be available in this page. What you will do? Put cursor anywhere, not in the last and starting. No, anywhere this line, or otherwise you can select anywhere you can pass the cursor and press Control and slash. Okay. You will get this type of icon. Means the color become green and you will get inside this less than something exclamation mark something. You will get this. Which symbol I told? Control and slash. Which slash? Near shift. Okay. That line. Write down this one. This will be helpful you too much. Control and slash which is near shift. So you have to press that. You will get this line. Had anyone tried this one? Now. Pooja, had you tried this?
No, sir.
Okay. Had anyone, Amol, had you tried this option now?
Yes, yes, sir.
It's a, you getting this one? Control and slash nearby shift. Sweta, had you tried this option? Try this if you have laptop open and if you had written some file. So it will comment. Otherwise, you write the code. This will comment. Second one, that is first option. Okay, let me see what effect will. After saving this file, where is that second paragraph? Paragraph 2, which is not written, not used. It is not appear. It is not appearing in our UI, but This is available on here or not? On this section, that is available or not? This is available. Means tomorrow, if you want, you can get this line. But how we will get this line now? Means now this is commented. Now I have to uncomment. How you will uncomment? Same that button. Control Shift. Sorry, Control slash, which is nearby Shift. Just press, put your cursor anywhere. Starting, first, last, middle, anywhere, and press Control slash. You will, it will come uncommented. Then color from yellow it become normal. Okay, now save. This line become the part of your UI. Got this? Any doubt? Tell me. Pooja, clear?
Yes, sir.
Shweta, clear? Lallan, clear or not? So with the help of this, we can comment and uncomment. There is another option for commenting and uncommenting. That's just a shortcut, Control K and C. Okay? Control, I'm writing here. CTRL plus K C. Same time, you have to press this 3 button. Control K C. Then you will get it commented. Now I will do Control K C. It will get commented. Now save and let's see. It not coming on the browser. So this way we can comment. But what about uncomment? Do the same button. Control K C. It become uncomment. Means Control K and C for comment, or C for uncomment, or otherwise U for uncomment. There are multiple options. Simple Control Shift, nearby Shift slash is there. Press that. Control slash. It become commented. I not want this complete document, but one thing you have to take care. If one line got commented, you can't comment this completely. Means inside one comment, next comment will not come. That you have to take care. Okay. Now suppose I had commented this paragraph. Now I want to comment this body section. This body. Okay. So let's say pass Control and slash. See, it got commented, but see this body is not a green color. Means this not get commented because what is the issue? What it had done? It had taken that comment of this one. See, when I passed this, what happened? In first sequence, it find out that some comment I started. Where the ending he find here itself. Okay, because after this again one more slash. So that's why it will not comment in this way. It will give you error. See, in the last you got this one because that last one, this one. Okay, so how you will comment? You will pass separate. Suppose you have to comment this complete structure, this one. What you will do? You can uncomment this and then you can pass complete comment like this. Now save. Some editor issue also there. Okay, so you can comment one by one. Comment this line, then comment this section, then comment this, then let it to be, then let it to be. This way we had commented. Oh, somewhere that slash is coming from somewhere. I think somewhere we had written. I think maybe from somewhere it's coming. But now what happened? This have to come in the browser, but it gone. This have to come on the browser, that gone, and this have to come on browser. Mean sorry, not this one. This have to come on browser, but it gone. These all are now commented. So that's why we will get like this. Anyone having any issue in comment and uncomment? How to we will see the view source in these all? Tell me. So we have any issue?
No, sir.
No issue. Is it clear or not?